Hey, this is Josh Pauling with Daddy's Workshop at the Carolinas. Just a short video here testing a new product that I've been trying out on some of my restorations lately. Big thanks to Super Clean for sending some pre-products here. I agreed to test them out, see how they work, and let you know about it. So you may want to add these into your cleaning and degreasing process if you're looking for a new product to give a try. Super Clean makes a lot of neat stuff. If you want to check out their website, I'll put their link below the video here. They make all-wheel cleaner for cars and trucks, floor absorbent, foaming cleansers, degreasers, all sorts of stuff. So what I'm going to do today is just show you a little test run with this Super Clean product on one of the machines I'm going to be working on here at Delta Shaper. So just trying it out, see how it works, and feel free to give it a try as well if you'd like. Okay, so here's this Delta Shaper cabinet. It's upside down right now because I was taking some of the internals out and the motor out. And so what I'm going to do here is just test a little bit of this this foaming cleanser that Super Clean makes on this part, and just clean it up with a rag then. And then on this part, I'm going to test it with some wet sanding, and then I'll leave the original over here so we can give a little test here. In this case, I'm running through this as if I'm not going to paint this cabinet. I'm going to see how it looks without painting with this cleansing product. So here's the product I'm going to give a shot here, and we'll see how it works. So I'm just going to let that sit there a little bit. You can already see it's picking a lot of that dirt right out of there, and just going to follow the directions on the back of the can. Leave a little bit of time for it to dissolve the grease and grime, and then wipe it off. Wow, can't really complain about that. Barely even have to touch it. Degreaser really gets that grease and grime and dirt off of there pretty well. Alright, so there's one panel. Here you can see what the original looked like. And then up here I'm going to spray a little bit and then do a little bit of wet sanding and see how that works. Just so it doesn't run too much, I'm going to catch the drips here. Now we'll wet sand a little bit. See if this adds another layer of cleanliness or not. Okay, wipe it off. Okay, so there you can see that was not much work at all. That really works very well on getting the dirt and grime off. See the original, what we started with. Wow, that's a great improvement. Just a few minutes of work. I don't even think it's necessary to do the wet sanding. That really is pretty strong stuff. So you may want to consider it. I'm pretty happy with it so far. If you're not looking to repaint a cabinet, if you like the old patina and the paint job's not too bad, that might be worth a shot. Here you can see a close-up of the two areas we tested. Very pleased with it. Make sure that you test it on a hidden area first to make sure that it doesn't mess with the finish or eat away at the paint. It is strong stuff, and make sure to rinse away the residues when you're all done. I also tried their wheel cleaner product on my Ford F-150 rims and was happy with that as well. But again, make sure to follow the instructions on the bottle and remove any of the excess residue, rinse away any of the excess because it is strong stuff. And a big thanks to Super Clean for the product samples. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.